Now take a closer look at your own life through the lens of rahmah, mercy. What you may have interpreted as an unfair and cruel twist in your life may have been in the eyes of Allah ar-Rahman the most favorable turn of events in your life. But the issue is that we challenge the knowledge of Allah and we are impatient. And that's why Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, he said, a person may aspire for some matter of trade or position of authority, which he pursues ardently until he comes close to attaining it. Then Allah looks at him and He says to the angels, divert it away from him, because if he attains it, I will send him to hell. So it's taken away from him. But he continues to see this as a misfortune. And he said, Sabaqani fulan, dahani fulan, so and so beat me to it, so and so outwitted me. When in reality, it was nothing but the grace of Allah, subhanallah, subhanallah. This is what Islam is. Far from being shackles or chains or curtailers of freedom. No, the obligations and prohibitions of Islam, the do's and don'ts of Islam, its guidance, its limits, its parameters, it's the opposite of all of that. They are liberators. Liberty from our ignorance, from our slavery to our carnal desires, to our appetites. Rescuers from the whims of man and the never-ending dictates of society and their ever-changing trends. This is the true meaning of liberation and freedom. And this was the rahmah of Allah ar-Rahman when He gifted us with the crown of all favors, the crown of Islam. Allah was merciful when He obligated salah 5 times a day, and fasting and zakah and hijab. Allah was merciful when He prohibited interest, when He prohibited zina, fornication, free mixing, consumption of or trading with alcohol. Allah was merciful when He prohibited these things. He was merciful when He sent the human manual, the Quran.